In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the footer in Mailchimp. Whether you're updating your email design or simplifying your layout, I'll guide you through the process step by step to make it as easy and straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific email campaign that you want to edit. If you're not sure where to find it, check your campaign's dashboard where all your drafts and active campaigns are listed. Click on the campaign you want to work on, and this will open the email editor for that campaign. Now that you're in the email editor, scroll down to the very bottom of the design. This is where you'll find the footer block. In Mailchimp, the footer is typically the section of the email that includes things like your company's contact information, an unsubscribe link, and other details. It's an essential part of most email campaigns, but sometimes you may want to remove or replace it entirely, which is what we're focusing on today. When you locate the footer section, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice that the block gets highlighted, indicating that it's ready to be selected. This is Mailchimp's way of making it clear which section you're about to edit. Once the footer block is highlighted, click on it to select it. This will open up the editing menu for that specific block in the toolbar that appears. Look for the trash can icon or a button that says delete. This is what you'll use to remove the footer block entirely. Click on the trash can icon or the delete button, and you'll see the footer block disappear from your email design. At this point, you might see a warning notification pop up. Mailchimp gives this warning to remind you that certain types of information in the footer, like unsubscribe links or your physical business address, may be legally required in some regions or under specific email marketing regulations, such as CAN spam or GDPR. Make sure you understand these legal requirements before permanently removing the footer. If you still want to proceed, simply confirm the deletion when prompted. Once the footer block has been removed, it's a good idea to take a moment to preview your email layout. This step is important to ensure that your design still looks polished and professional without the footer. Mailchimp allows you to preview your email both on desktop and mobile views, so take advantage of this feature to verify that everything looks the way you want it to. And that's it. You've successfully removed the footer from your Mailchimp email campaign. It's a simple process, but those little details can make all the difference when customizing your email design. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.